Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today we're going to do another installment for the backwards or reversed Friends Across the Miles junk journal. And I'm going to start with my signatures, and this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, now I'm doing it backwards because I want to see what I'm going to put in it before I make my spine. So, you know. So let's start with some wallpaper and fold that in half. Like so. And we're going to put it in our container after we're done. Now, I don't know how many pages my signatures will have yet. So we'll just go by ear or by eye when it's all said and done. Now we're going to get in. I'm just going whatever's in my stack, I'm folding. I will cut them down to size later. Okay. And I'm going to flatten them a little more. I'm going to use some other stuff also, but I'm doing this one video at a time, so I will see what I have already put together. For the journal. Flatten them a little more. Now we're going to get in a few book pages. And there's a lot to fold, guys. A lot. I want to try to get them as even as possible, so I might have to do 2 videos for this part. My spine and the covers will be the very last thing that I make. Okay. And then again, when I start doing the layouts, I will do one at a time. Because I want each person that has participated in this to have, their own Very fragile paper, y'all. Have their own page or own video with their page layout. I like this paper. It's so aged. It's mostly vintage, so there we go. We got all that folded. We're gonna go for some more. We're gonna do some rent receipts here, or whatever kind of receipts these are. We're gonna tear off the part that came out of the book. Let's fold this over. And I think the rest I am going to do off camera. Well, this one's not coming off as easy as I thought it would. There we go. Well, whatever. I'm just going to use a pair of scissors to cut them off. Now, not all my signatures are going to have the same exact pages in it. It depends on what I want to put in each signature. These I'm not going to do, because these I'm going to use to set for something else. So let's go into some coffee dyed paper. I'm going to do a few more. Okay, that one. We're going to do some of this one, this, a few of these. Ledger papers. We did wallpaper. We're going to do some music paper. Some of these. And some purple paper. So I'm going to finish these with you guys. And then finish the rest off camera. This is some pretty handmade paper right here. And it's going to look pretty in the journal. Okay. Let's go into some of this. And this is all going to be put in my container with the other components for the journal. Now this will take me a bit to put together because I want to take my time on it. I don't want to rush through it. Now, let me get some of these and flatten them a bit more. Like so. Okay. Continue with this. I'm going to take these away because I'm going to use those for something else too. Like I said, not all my signatures are going to have the same papers in it. Like that one, I just ran out of music paper. So I'm folding whatever, I'm using whatever I have in my room to make this journal, so not all the pages are gonna be the same thing. So now this is an open-ended. I'm not gonna close this out because I want to see how many people will get into this journal. All you do is just basically in an envelope send me something that you like crafting with, a map of the city, country, state you're in, your state flower, your state bird, or country bird, whatever, you know, it is for you. And that's it. Okay. That's that. We have all of this. This is done. Now we're going to go for some of these. So I hope y'all will be watching these videos to see in the days and months and however it takes me to put it all together, how y'all gonna like it. Because I really want to see the comments that I get and things like that. Okay, a few more of these and we're done with this. And this is the last one. Let's get these together and flatten those because they gotta fit in my box. There. We can move these out. So we have our magazine pages. We have colored paper that's been dyed. We have those. These are regular. We have some journal ledger paper, music paper, grid paper. We have some homemade paper. some more dyed paper. We have receipts. We have book pages. We have notebook paper and wallpaper. So this is the start of the signatures. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So I will say, please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, be kind, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.